welcome back to the workshop. Our next project's on the bench. I will just show you what it is and what I've got to do to it. So I'll just turn you around. Right, a Suzuki GT 750A, I believe. That's what it tells me. This is the bike we're going to be working on. This is the list I've got, which says front brakes, throttle, chain guard, gearing, carbs clean and balance, HT leads. So carbs have got to come off, and we have got a bag full of bits that Paul left me. Let's see what we've got in the bag of bits. Let me put you on it. Let's have a look what we've got. New fuel lines, for the simple reason, as somebody nicely pointed out, that looks like an FZ750 indicator there. There's two indicators there. A bag of bolts and a fuel filter. No, that's definitely not a filter. Oh, it is a fuel filter. Anyway, so we've got a fuel filter as well. These look like Suzuki GT 750 carburetor kits. So yeah, all the bits for them. So we'll get on and do with them. So you've got a gasket, needle valve, all sorts of bits and bobs. So we'll get those all sorted. Front brake bits. Pistons. Oh, they're nice. They might probably get done as well. So front brake. Anyway, yes. So they want doing as well. We'll have a look at those, see whether they've been done. And yes, as somebody pointed out, somebody's put a fuel filter in the airline, which is not very bright. And we were looking at the inlet manifolds. They're pretty cracked. Now how badly cracked they are I don't know, but when we get them off we'll have a look. Rattly chain guard, that needs sorting out. So yeah, so I think the thing to do is to take it to bits, or take to bits what we need to do, and just crack on. I think I'll wait properly to take it to bits when my able assistant Susie comes and gives us a hand. Bit of fuel left in there. There we go, that's on there. Oh, well, you see that? Got to a little tank stand now. Not going to get knocked about. That's not the way to do it. Suzuki bits. Loose battery.